Okay, welcome back. Now I wanted to do a few more examples using the rule that dy dx is dy du times du dx. So this is the chain rule, and this is the version using, what is that, Leibniz's notation, dy dx. Okay, so here we have u is x cubed plus 2x, and y of u is sine of u. And so the rule says that dy dx is going to be what? Dy du times du dx. So we should calculate du dx and dy du. So dy du is, what is that, cosine of u? Derivative of sine is cosine. And then du dx is going to be 3x squared plus 2. So maybe I'll color code this. So du dx is this piece here, and dy du will be that piece there. So this should be cosine of u times 3x squared plus 2, and you got to remember to put those parentheses around any expression or any sum when you're doing this, so that you remember to distribute that cosine of u into the 3x squared and the plus 2. And so then what we do is we just rewrite cosine of u as a function of x, which we remember u was x cubed plus 2x. So this will be cosine of x cubed plus 2x times 3x squared plus 2. And of course, once you get really good at this, you could also just do this using the outside-inside rule. It's derivative of the outside would be cosine of u, cosine of something. You plug the inside in, and then you multiply by the derivative of the inside. So two different ways of getting at the same answer. Okay, let's do this again. So now we have the outside function is cosine, the inside function is u, which is going to be x to the 1/2 plus x, and the outside will be y, which is cosine of u. So now this time, the derivative dy du is going to be negative sine of u, and the derivative du dx is going to be what? 1/2 x to the minus 1/2 plus 1. And so then we put that together and we get dy dx is dy du times du dx. So in this case, that's going to be negative sine of u times 1/2 x to the minus 1/2 plus 1. And so then I plug in u, get negative sine of x to the 1/2 plus x times 1/2 x to the minus 1/2 plus 1. And again, if you're getting faster at this, you would just say that y prime is, well, what's the derivative of the outside function? That's negative sine of something. You plug in the x to the 1/2 plus x, and then you multiply by the derivative of that, which is 1/2 x to the minus 1/2 plus 1. Okay, well, thanks for your time. I hope that helps.